Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you for the chance that given to me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anja Kasimaratur Ula. I am from Universitas 11 Maret. Now I would like to present about the crowd response leaf chlorophyll in black rice or Sativa L. indica are induced by gamma rays to the drought stress condition. First, I start with introduction. Lack of water affect all aspects of the growth plant, including psychological, biochemical, anatomical, and morphological processes. The measurement of psychological characters, such as chlorophyll concentration, is an approach to study the effect of the lack of water the growth. A genetic mutation is one of hybridization method that can be done to get new superior varieties. Thus, applying drought stress and using gamma ray induced plant were expected to make the recessor now the growth response and chlorophyll content of black rice plants. Research purpose. The first, determine the growth response in black rice or Sativa L. indica are induced by gamma rays to the drought stress conditions. Second, determine the leaf chlorophyll content in black rice or Sativa L. indica are induced by gamma rays to the drought stress condition. Third, to produce the best black rice or Sativa L. indica lines that are resistant to drought stress. Material and method. This research was conducted in July until November 2020 at the experimental field greenhouse, Medicinae Street, UNS Perum, Jati Village, Jaten District, Karanganyar Regency. And the materials used in this research were black rice seeds, Bantul and Boyolali, mutant M4, which were induced by gamma ray irradiation of 100 gray and 200 grays. Other materials used in this research: 80% acetone, filter paper, 2,1 manure, or urea sp36, KCl, and pesticides. Next, experimental design. The research used a field trial research design without repetition. This research is have 100 gray and 200 grays, and then the population is 10 plants per strain. Total population is 240 plants. The research procedure. The first, the field trial is pre-planting, transplanting, rearing, and harvesting. The second, the laboratory trial, is testing for chlorophyll content. Observation variable. The first, plant height, and then crown root ratio, and then chlorophyll content. Data analysis. Plant height and growth ratio were t-test, and then result and discussion. The result of black rice or Sativa L. indica plant height used 100 gray gamma ray irradiation, Bantul Boyolali, with different soil water treatment. You can see in the following table. In the plant control one, show the higher average result, 70.3. Meanwhile, the 100 gray Bantul show M4BT 100D had the highest average result, 80.76. Next, this is table plant height used 200 grays gamma ray irradiation Boyolali Bantul with different soil water treatment. You can see in the following table, 200 gray Boyolali M4BY 200B saw lowest average result 58.40, while control 1 saw the higher average result 62.43. Bantul 200 gray of M4BT 200E above had lowest average result 37. So from those results was known that by increasing dose of gamma rays, individual plants saw change in characteristic, the genetic mutation. The drug stress affect low rate water absorption by plant roots, so the plant growth had become less than optimal. It was linked to research conducted by Zanzibar 2009 about using gamma radiation in the mutation induction of cereal plants can produce mutation plants up to 75%. Next, the result of black rice Oryza sativa indica crown root ratio used 100 gray gamma ray irradiation of Boyolali Bantul assessment and for generation with different soil water treatment. You can see in the following table the highest average result of M4BY 100B were 0.81. Meanwhile, the lowest average of control 1 were 0.11. Based on the result, it was known that the plants with drug stress had higher weight growth than control plants normal watering, because the condition of stressed plants could make the longer root grow to get nutrition. Next, crown root ratio used 200 gray gamma rays irradiation of Boyolali Bantul with different soil water treatment. You can see in the following table, M4BY 200C, the value is 0.42. So the significant result. Next, this is graphic chlorophyll content. The result of black rice chlorophyll content used 100 gray and 200 gray gamma ray irradiation of Boyolali Bantul assessment and for generation with different soil water treatments. Based on the result of the picture above, saw the highest result of 100 gray in M4 BTC. Plant were 1739. However, M4 BTD and M4 BTE had low chlorophyll contents. The chlorophyll contents decreased in drought stress condition. It happened due to the reduction of oxygen production in rice mutation genotype. The lack of water can cause disruption of plant metabolic processes, including the chlorophyll synthesis. You can see in the graphic. And then conclusion. From my research, I can conclude that the variable of the high plants saw the result of irradiation plants were lower than control 1 plant. The crown root ratio showed that the irradiation plants had a higher average result than the control plant. And last, the chlorophyll content showed that 100 gray irradiation plants had a higher value than the plant control, while in 200 gray irradiation plants showed that the control plant had a higher value than irradiation plants. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I hope the result of the research will be beneficial for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.